everyone, Kathy here from Dirty Booty Soaps, and today we're doing another soap in an 18 bar mold. This time we are using our blue raspberry fragrance from Voyageur Soap and Candle here in Canada. The colors I'm using are going to be mint green julep from Crafter's Choice. I have Peacock from Mad Micas. And also from Mad Micas, I have Grape. And then on the very top, I'm going to drizzle in some of this Sparkle Light Gold Mica from Crafter's Choice. So these are all mixed with just a tiny bit of sweet almond oil. So that's what we're going to do there. We're going to mix in our lye and get started blending. I used, I have a lot of partial bottles of things laying around. And so this time I'm using, I won't give you the exact recipe, but I'm using a blend of castor oil, avocado oil, cocoa butter, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, safflower oil, rice bran oil, shea butter, and mango butter. So that's a mouthful. Anyway, that's what I'm using in there, and hopefully it'll turn into a really great bar. The numbers look good on Soap Calc, so let's get started. Blend this up just to a light trace, and then I'll pour it off into my 3 containers. And then we'll mix in our fragrance and colorant. Just want to make sure everything's blended together here. Which I think it looks pretty good here. So I'll pop this off. Pop. Pop, pop. And we'll pour off pretty much evenly, I think. One. I'm just kind of eyeballing it as I go here. Bring this one up a little more and add more to these. Like so. And let me scrape this out. We, on the weekend, were working outside when it wasn't raining, building a little deck platform for our pool. And my husband went out to look at something, went out the kitchen slider onto the deck and started a young little bunny rabbit. Kind of was coming around the corner from the fence on the side like he was going to go under our deck. So we started keeping our eyes peeled, and we've got 2 little neighborhood bunny rabbits running around. So that was kind of exciting. Now we watch them every day from our kitchen window. And they're so cute. And all the more reason, thank goodness, that I built my garden beds up off the ground, so the little buggers don't get into our veggies. So, put that in there. I'm going to pour my fragrance one at a time into each of these. And then give them each a blend. With my blender. Just to make sure, oh, they're thickening up. think I'll use my whisk after I kind of jizz these together. Come on. Because the soap is thickening up already. I'm soaping hotter than I usually do. That's probably why. Anyway, let me calmly try and get this stirred up and in the mold. Hopefully it doesn't seize totally on me here. Just stir that by hand. There's one. I love these colors. Beautiful colors. Two. And I'll use this one. Three. All right, so I'm going to bring up my mold here. And we'll just get to pouring. I'm just going to kind of go back and forth a couple times, stirring as we go. I hope you guys can see all that. Yeah. Okay. There. Not a big batch. These are going to be small bars, but they should be really cool. That, and then we'll finish off. And scrape these out. And then I'll bang this mold down before I start adding my gold drizzle. So that everything's flattened evenly into the mold. These look like fun colors. Okay, that one. And purple. Won't be a boring soap. Okay, so let me put those out of the way. And we'll give it a bang. Like so. And you can see how nicely that filled the bottom of the mold. So I'm going to make sure my gold is blended up here. Good. And we'll give this a little drizzle. And we'll do some swirling. A little bit more. And I think that's good. Get my little swirl sticker. Take my goggles off. And we'll just do nice tight swirls all the way up and down. Very cool. Isn't that pretty? Do nice tight swirls. That way you hit every little bit of gold that's in there pretty much. Nice and tight down this last bit. All right, so that is that. Look at how gorgeous that is. Isn't that pretty? So now I'm going to put my dividers in for this one. We're going to get some nice even bars. Smells delicious. So there's that. We'll give it a spray. And we'll put our lid on. Isn't that pretty? So nice. So anyway, we'll put our lid on. We'll put it to bed and we'll come back tomorrow and we'll take it out of the mold. So we'll be right back. All right, we're back and ready to pop these out of the mold. And usually I've done this by now, but I just wanted to show you something. As these were curing, actually I came in this morning and they just looked a little dull. They weren't like really overly ashy. But what I did was I took my little steamer and I bought this little guy on Amazon. It's a nice handheld steamer. And I just wanted to show you because this guy fits perfectly inside each of these little dividers. So I just took it and I steamed the tops on all of my soaps while they were in the mold. It's much easier than doing them individually once they're out of the mold. And so anyway, they turned out really nice. So I'm going to hopefully gracefully get this out of the mold. And they look beautiful. And they smell wonderful. So let's see how easy they'll pop out. I'm going to try, actually I'll take them out here first. Breaking the seal. Like so. And let me turn these and sit them down here. I'm going to put my gloves on here. I don't think they're like too soft, but you never know. Anyway, it's a beautiful day today here. It's supposed to get cloudy later, but we got some nice sunshine right now. And I've seen our little bunnies outside frolicking around in the sunshine. They're so cute. I say our little bunnies. I mean, they're our neighborhood bunnies. So anyway, I'm just going to pull these. These are coming out fairly easy. I say fairly. For my hands. It's a pain when you get older and you've worked with your hands like your entire life. Between counting cash at a bank and, oh, isn't that pretty? And then I worked at a fabric store for a few years as well. So cutting fabric and counting money, it's just, it does a number on your hands. Isn't that beautiful? These smell wonderful. Oh, look at that. Look at the gold. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to take some nice pictures of these bars. Trying to look at that. Isn't that stunning? Just love it. Anyway, I'll get some nice pictures taken as well. Oh, just love it, love it. Love how this turned out. I love these colors. Again, they were, let's see, Mad Micas, Peacock, and Grape Ape, and then Mint Green Julip from Crafter's Choice. I'm just trying to be gentle here, pulling these out. Somewhat gentle, anyway. For heaven's sakes. Doesn't help that I'm dealing with this paper towel either. Anyway, good thing I'm doing this now instead of waiting till they got even harder. Oh, come on, you little booger. I'm going to put you on pause to get the rest of these out so I won't bore you with me struggling over this, and then we'll come back and do a flyby. So let me put you on pause for now. Okay, now what I had to do is just actually push them out of the mold from the bottom along all the sides, and then I easily pried the bars out. So I should have done that in the first place. But aren't they gorgeous? I mean, that gold really sets everything off. Just lovely. But they're just a beautiful blend of colors. Look at that. Especially, you see the bars that have really all three colors on the top. They're just gorgeous. Isn't that pretty? So anyway, that's it for our blue raspberry. This is a really nice one. I'm happy with the way it turned out. I hope you liked it too. Anyway, this would be a great Mardi Gras soap. Look at all those colors. Just really like a peacock blend of colors, you know. Just so gorgeous. Look at this one. I really like this one. Look at those swirls. So anyway, thanks for watching. Follow us over on Facebook and Instagram, as well as Twitter at Dirty Booty Soaps. And check us out over on Etsy. I'll put the link below. And you all have a wonderful day. Enjoy your weekend coming up. And we'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.